Different anime use different resolutions to create their anime. So there are even like newer anime that are like from 2018 or whatever. There's two different anime, for example, that could be from the same year but look very different. One looks older, one looks newer. They just have a different look based on their resolution. And the highest resolution that I've seen so far is 1920 by 1080. So if you have an anime that looks older, or whether it is older or just looks older, you should always check what resolution that is. And if you want to create something in that look, you should just copy what resolution they use and then scale it up later if you want to make it a 1920 by 1080, for example. And the last thing that I want to make sure is that the frame rate is set to 24. 24 frames per second, nothing else. Don't even think about it. Just keep it at 28 frames. Not 30, not 60, definitely not 60. If I ever see you and you say you do 3D anime and I ask you what frame rate and you see anything but 24, I will just leave the conversation immediately, okay? Just 24, nothing else. Just stick with 24. If you want to learn more about 3D anime, make sure to check out my free 3D anime course here on YouTube. In there, I basically try to condense all the information that I have gathered over the last 2.5 years of creating my projects and learning things and researching things and testing things, basically. And I've tried to put it all into this one course for free, which you can see and find on YouTube. So if you're curious about that and want to learn more and go more in depth in creating your own 3D anime, for example, make sure to check out the description where you'll find the link to it. Otherwise, I guess you can also just enjoy more of these clips if you want. So yeah, do whatever you want.